Hello, Stock Fox family. I'm Stock Fox and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing a cryptocurrency called Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu currently trades at a fraction of a penny. That's correct, a fraction of a penny. And the reason why I want to discuss Shiba Inu today with you is because I believe that Shiba Inu is a real opportunity. A real opportunity that presents what I call low risk but ginormous reward. So I'm going to basically be sharing my screen with you here in just a moment and taking a look at a chart on Shiba Inu. So let's take a look here. So as we look at Shiba Inu on the chart here, you will begin to see, as I stated earlier, that Shiba Inu currently trades at a fraction of a penny. So you don't really see any numbers here up underneath Shiba Inu. So if we move down to the chart, we'll be able to see that Shiba Inu traded at its highs today of quad 031. Now you're probably asking yourself, what is quad zero? Well, that's a short version of me saying 0.000031. And as you can see, it traded down after that to quad 029, which is where it is currently trading at right now. Now, yes, I stated earlier that there's real opportunity here. Let me explain what I mean when I say real opportunity here. I believe that there's an opportunity to not just get rich with Shiba Inu. I believe that there's an opportunity here to really become wealthy. I don't know if you've ever heard of Dogecoin. Well, at one point in time, I had an opportunity to invest in Dogecoin. I looked at the coin and I was new to cryptocurrency. And I wasn't really a big believer in cryptocurrency as I am today. So I passed up on that opportunity when Dogecoin was trading at like 0.005 or 0.008 as it was beginning to climb. I did not see the potential or the opportunity in cryptocurrency as I do today. So the reason why I'm bringing to you Shiba Inu is because I find myself at the crossroads that I found myself with Dogecoin. And that is that here's another opportunity where a coin is trading, this time at quad zeros, and then to 2.9, which is where it is currently trading right now. The question is that I ask myself, will I miss this opportunity again? And the answer to that is no. I'm currently an investor in Shiba Inu. I also swing trade this particular cryptocurrency. I'll get into that at another time as I intend to make another video about how to invest and swing trade Shiba Inu. But that being said, I'm going to basically share an article with you as to why I feel that there's real opportunity here to become not only rich but wealthy trading this particular cryptocurrency. As we take a look at my screen here, I'm going to share share some of a story about a gentleman by the name of Rob. Okay, and as you see here, it says a wolf paper changed Rob's life. Now, what exactly is a wolf paper, and who exactly is Rob? Okay. Early this year, Rob, a 35-year-old former supermarket warehouse manager, that's correct, you heard me correct, a 35-year-old former supermarket warehouse manager, began researching cryptocurrencies at his home in northern England. His aim was to modestly grow his tens of thousands of dollars that he had in savings. He had built with his partner to create a better future for their young son. Now, while researching, Rob came across Shiba Inu coin, a cryptocurrency meme coin that was launched in August of 2020, not that long ago, by someone who calls themselves Ryoshi. No, I'm not making this up. This is actually a real story. Then Rob read Ryoshi's wolf paper, a play on the term white paper, which explains the philosophy behind the Shiba Inu coin. Now, the wolf paper claimed that Shiba Inu's coin was an experiment in decentralized land spontaneous community building. The paper also said that Shiba Inus are incredible dogs, in which they are. Now, I'm reading all of this to share with you something that I just mentioned in regards to why I feel that the opportunity is now to get wealthy with Shiba Inu. If we look at the top of this article, it starts out by saying how a risky bet on the Shiba Inu coin made this warehouse manager a millionaire. And yes, it was risky not because of the amount of money that Rob invested. It's risky because, as most of you feel, as I feel with Dogecoin, why would I invest in something that is only a fraction of a penny? Surely it can't be worth anything. Well, I'm here to tell you today that it is worth something. It's not just worth something, it's worth a lot. I'll share with you a chart here in just a moment as to just how much Shiba Inu is worth. Now, that being said, let's take a look here. I brought up Dogecoin earlier to prove my point as to why I felt that I missed out on a real opportunity to invest. Okay, we can go back here and we'll take a look here. Well, first of all, you see Dogecoin here is trading at 0.14. Okay, so it's trading slightly above 14 cents, 14 cents a share. Okay, so at 14 cents, you can own one coin, one Dogecoin for 14 cents. Okay, so here we are back on September 18, 2020. Okay, which is when I myself started to look at Dogecoin. Okay, it was brought to my attention, probably the same way I'm bringing it to your attention in a video. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, Dogecoin on September 18, 2020 traded at 0.0028. And you're probably asking yourself, well, that's not a lot of money. It wasn't a lot of money then, and it's not a lot of money now. A small investment in Dogecoin then could have yielded you thousands, if not millions of dollars today. The question is that, was it a risk? Were you taking a risk? Okay. Were you not informed enough to know that cryptocurrency was coming? I'll be honest with you. I didn't know much about cryptocurrency in September of 2020. Okay. So, but today I've educated myself, and now I know a whole lot about cryptocurrency that I didn't know then. That's why I know this real opportunity that's presenting itself right now with Shiba Inu, it's an opportunity I can't afford to miss out on. Okay. That being said, that 0.0028 today is at 14 cents a share. Okay. Now, just to kind of give us an idea of what that would have been like. So let's just assume if we had just bought, or if I had just purchased 1 million shares of Dogecoin at that time, okay, and 0.228, if I had just purchased 1 million shares, it would have cost me $2,800. $2,800 that I would have had, okay? That $2,800 would have yielded today at 1 million shares, okay? 1 million shares times where it sits right now, not even at its high, would have been $140,000 right today. $140,000. And that's if I just only bought 1 million shares, okay? So that's the reason why I wanted to take a look at this, and I wanted to share my thoughts on this. As you can see the article on the screen here, it says Shiba Inu's price prediction. It says Shiba Inu's bulls are poised for a 44% upswing. And this article was just written on 2/17. Okay, so again, a positive outlook for Shiba Inu, and basically something to get excited about. I'm very excited about it. I have made money with Shiba Inu. I have sold Shiba Inu for a profit. I have bought back in, and I've sold again. Now you're probably asking, why are you buying and selling if you believe? Okay, as I said before, I'm an investor and a swing trader. In one account, I invest. In another account, I swing trade. Why do I swing trade? Well, it has a lot to do with whether or not we're in a bull market or if we're in a bear market. Okay. In order to make money in bear markets, sometimes it's better to take a little of something, okay, than to have none of something. Okay. So what I do when I swing trade is that I may buy 100 million shares of Shiba Inu. And if Shiba Inu moves, uh, let's say, a fraction of where it is right now in the up direction, I may sell it. Okay. I may make a quick $500 that day or $1,000 in a week or 2 weeks. Okay. So that's swing trading. Again, I don't want to dive too deep into that, but I am going to do a video that's going to outline how you make money swing trading cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu. But that being said, I had said that basically I would show you exactly what those pennies, those fraction of a pennies, how they add up when it comes to Shiba Inu. So what you're looking at on your screen right now is the Coinbase site, okay, where you can also go and buy cryptocurrency, okay. So if we're looking at Coinbase right now, we'll see that Bitcoin is pretty much leading the way, trading roughly at about $40,000, $743 a coin. Okay, so if you got $40,000 right now, you can buy one coin of Bitcoin. Okay, and now we drop down and we see Ethereum. Now, I'm saying all of this to say, where exactly is Shiba Inu? I'm going to travel down here to Shiba Inu, but before I do that, let's go ahead and touch over here on Bitcoin, and you can see that Bitcoin itself has a market cap of $772 billion. Okay. Now it has a supply of coins. The supply is how many coins that are in circulation, which is currently 19 million. All right. Now let's go down and let's find Shiba Inu. So here's Shiba Inu right here, currently trading at quad 02892. So if you wanted to buy Shiba Inu right now, that's the price that you would pay to purchase one coin of Shiba Inu. All right. Now Shiba Inu has a market cap of $15.9 billion. So this coin over here that trades at a fraction of a penny. Okay, keep that in mind. It trades at a fraction of a penny, has a market cap of $15.9 billion. That's a lot of pennies. Okay, so yes, even as a penny stock, you can still become very, very wealthy. Now, if there is one issue that I have with Shiba Inu, yes, I do have an issue with Shiba Inu. It's one, okay, and that is to the right of this $15.9 billion here in market cap. There is a supply of 549 with a T, and that's trillion. Okay, so there is a lot of Shiba Inu coins that are in circulation. Now, the question is that as this number in circulation starts to burn, what I mean by burn is that as they start to shrink the number of coins that are in circulation, that eventually will cause the value, okay, or the price of the stock to also increase, supply and demand, okay? So right now there is a lot of supply, okay, and there is less demand. So how do we increase? We lower the supply, increasing the demand. Okay, so that is probably the only issue that I have personally when it comes to Shiba Inu. Outside of that right there, there is still an opportunity to make a lot of money with Shiba Inu. Now, that being said, as I stated earlier, anything that I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or trade any cryptocurrency or any stock, okay? These are just my personal thoughts about this particular cryptocurrency. Again, wanted to share this with you because as we get ready to move with Shiba Inu and this company, as I continue to follow it, I continue to see them doing great things with Shiba Inu. And when I say great things, I mean things like getting involved in what they call the metaverse. Okay, now here's Shiba Inu. Obviously, it's a meme coin there, as you can see. It says the metaverse, right? It says here. So I'm just going to kind of touch on this just a little bit. I don't want to read the whole article here. It says the metaverse. So we have seen the metaverse space grow at a rapid rate with enormous interest from small and large companies alike. The metaverse is set to be one of the biggest areas within crypto for many to enjoy, while others will produce content and developers will set up shops within using it as another great resource to offer crypto communities incentivization, content, and regular royalties. In 2020 alone, the metaverse was worth approximately $478 billion. Okay, this is something that caused Facebook to change their name. I don't know if a lot of you even know this or not, but if you follow the stock community, then you know that that Facebook recently changed its name to Meta, or a symbol to Meta. Okay, which is short for Metaverse. Okay, now like everything SHIB does, we will lead the Metaverse sector. At this time, our early phase of development continues for the Shiba Inu Metaverse. Okay, so Shiba Inu is basically getting involved in the Metaverse along with other companies like Facebook, except Shiba Inu wants to lead that charge. These are all great signs that this particular company is basically forward thinking and they have the vision of what's coming down the road in the next 5 to 10 years. Okay, I hope you got something out of this particular video. These are again my thoughts that I saw something in Dogecoin that I'm now starting to see in Shiba Inu, and I didn't want to miss out on an opportunity, and I didn't want you to miss out on that same opportunity. So if this is something that you basically can see yourself investing in long term, please drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about the video. Let me know if you're going to be investing in Shiba Inu long term, or if it's going to be a short term play for you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my video. If you want to see more videos like this, I would greatly appreciate it. I'd like to thank you for visiting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.